Hey everyone, it's 11:53 a.m. on Thursday, February 6, 2020, and right here is a 52-inch ceiling fan with a wooden faceplate manufactured by Aircool in 1991. Don't know the exact month, but that's the year it was. I don't know when. It's a cousin to the Litex Oak crest. Well, it's a sister to it, but it's a cousin to the Signet Deluxe, the kind that has footprint-shaped vents on it. And the unique thing about it is it has an ornate canopy right there. A lot of the Litexes from the 80s and Aircools, excuse me, from the 80s and 90s had that. And notice how it has straight vents, kind of like what you find on an Emerson hardwood. It's Aircool's answer to it, but it's by no means related. They were manufactured by Alaska. This is Aircool. And the blades you see on it were not original to it. I mean, it had blades, but they were badly warped and they had wicker inserts, but I think this kind of looks a little bit better. And there's a tip on it right there. They're very grainy too, which I like. There's a reverse switch. Pull chain something I added. So I did see one of these for sale at a Habitat for Humanity restore like almost a decade ago, and the price was a little bit steep for it, and I thought, but thankfully I snagged this one at a much more reasonable price, along with a couple other these Heritage Builder fans and a canopy and mounting bracket that came on this one, but I don't know where the other one was. So, and one of the fans was a Heritage Lancaster. That's a GE vent, but I immediately scrapped those. So this is a Casablanca in comparison to them. So, trying to see, the light's kind of bright there, it's causing some glare. I apologize for that. But anyway, let's rev it up first on low. Oops. Forgot I had it. Need to reverse it here. Okay, take two. Low. Somehow it spins a little slower than most Aircool fans of this type. I don't know, but this one. But other than that, it's an aesthetic low. Medium. I mean, it does have some bearing issues on it. And high. For those of you who don't know, I have a soft spot for these wooden faceplate fans, or wood fans as I call them. There's a decent amount here. Time to power down. At least I tested it, but didn't quite pass, but I guess I'll have to give it some oil. I think it initially came from somebody's chalet in Seven Springs, Pennsylvania, near the ever popular ski resort. I haven't been there in like 30 years, but I am overdue to go back. That place, as I recall, had a whole plethora of vintage ceiling fans that are very diverse too. And this fan looks like it would fit very well in a ski lodge, though. I mean, it didn't take too long to spin down, but like I say, it's not the best performer, but it is what it is. So anyway, this concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.